Wait till she gets it. Now do it. Hurry up, she's getting it into her nose.
Ella.
I don't have no free hands.
Hey, I'm recording. I'm making a video. I'll send this to Aunt Nene.
Aunt Nene will be home probably around the 22nd of March.
No more cone.
Well, you'll have to eat the cold so she gets the ice cream. She's in her nose.
She's diving in.
She's gonna cry.
She always cries.
She's gonna cry when she ain't got any more. She'll be crying. Poor baby. Poor baby. She loves that ice cream, don't she?
She's gonna be a fat baby. She just bit the cone.
She what?
She bit the cone.
She got some cone in her mouth? A little, not too much of it, honey. She can choke on it.
You done, Ella?
No, I don't think so.
You have some.
I think she's got something in her. She's got a big piece or something.
Mm-hmm.
Just so she don't get